Hey everyone, have another unboxing video for you. This one didn't turn out so great. I did open this up already to check out if anything was missing and what was broken or not, but this is exactly how this was delivered to me. But anyways, this is the ZD Racing Pirates SC-8. SC is a short course truck, 1/8 scale, ready to run. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and I'll tell you why I ordered this. So, this is exactly how the box came in, damaged, beat up, and this is what I found inside. So I saw this crack first, and then that. Here is the charger. I already pulled the pins off, but there was no plastic bag over the body. I can show you the damage that happened to the body during the shipment, and you can see that there's a hole in the box, but they actually put some tape there to try to hold it down. So it lets me know that, or it makes me think that they already knew there was damage and they went ahead and shipped this to me anyways, which is a bit upsetting. So I waited for this to get into US stock. I ordered it as soon as I saw it, and this is what came in. And I emailed them already, and I still haven't received a response. And what makes me even more disappointed is that I had 2 other orders that didn't ship successfully, and the tracking shows that it did. I reached out and I still haven't gotten a response from them, and being a VIP 5 customer, whatever that means to them, I'm supposed to get top priority with service, considering how much I spend on their site. And I will say that, my previous experiences have been pretty decent, but it's been kind of going downhill with these last few. But moving on to this unboxing, the bonus or good point of this is I see that they've updated the transmitter to the so-called Dumbo RC rebrand or rebadged. So this is a good thing versus what they advertise. I'm happy with this, but you can see it's, I don't know, this thing is just kind of dirty. It's not in the greatest condition. But why I went with this, let me pull it out, is because number one, I love short course trucks and rally cars. As you saw me do an unboxing on this guy, the Traxxas Fiesta ST rally car 110, and that thing looks amazing. Can't wait to get it out. But this thing looks pretty freaking cool itself if it wasn't damaged. But why I went with this is because stock, it does come with a 4274 a brushless motor with the 120 amp ESC. And the only thing I really plan to do to this is up the size of the pinion gear, because I did read and see that these are not that quick out of the box. And then also to upgrade these tires and wheels, because these are pretty firm and they're not really grippy, which is also another downside that I had read. But otherwise, this chassis looks pretty awesome. It's the other standard 1/8 ZD Racing chassis that they use on many of their other cars. I have the 9116 coming, which is similar to this, but a monster truck version, that I will be putting probably the other 4274 that I have, or the 4068, because it's got a little bit higher speed. But anyways, this is pretty much all there is to say on this. Waiting for a response from Banggood on this, and I'll let you know how they treat my treat me as a customer, as a frequent customer. But anyways, love the way this looks. I'm pretty sad the body came busted, and the bummer behind that is because you can't find these bodies around. I can't find a spare body like this, and I've measured it out, and I believe a Traxxas slash body might be able to fit on there. So I'm gonna try that out after this gives, and I'll let you know, or you'll get to see. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys.